Yeah, I think it works now. Yeah, I'm gonna launch the Jupyter Lab again. Okay, yeah.
Did you just keep the default setting when you launched it? Like,
Yeah, just default setting. But let me show the. Yeah, just so I just choose a lab and just one of these King's Peak or not speak because this mostly is, and then number of course and number of hours. Yeah, that's all. Oh,
wait, so lab.
I mean you can use notebook, right? If you're familiar with notebook.
16 for it.
Yeah, 16 is the maximum. You can use 8 or 4. And then number of hours. And 8 hours is maximum, but general node, which is the physical, I guess, you can use 72 hours. But mostly the Notch Peak and King's Peak, you can only use the 8 hours the maximum. Okay. All right. When you're assign the resources, then you can see this connect to Jupyter button. If you click it, then you can access the Jupyter notebook that you use. So, okay, just. Yeah, so here, this is PY ZL2's lang script file. I convert this to IPYN file to be read by this Jupyter laptop. Okay, so when you go over this code, I think you guys use Python at once, right? Like is there anyone who have no experience with Python? I think you can read at least. I'm gonna go over one by one. Just please let me know if you have any anything you can understand. Okay, so here I'm gonna import pandas library for data frame, and then multiprocessing and time to set up the time and then report time, and then RA, which is repository library for managing repository. So and then we're gonna load the keys, the keywords version 2.csv file with pandas, and then I'm gonna just and also we're gonna convert all the variables in the keywords file to the lowercase. And if you print like 0 to 10, the keys in the list, then you can see, okay, those are the keyword that you can recognize it, any tweet as a hateful sentence. So, okay, so if any tweet includes those keys, then we can recognize those sentences as a hateful one. Okay, so yeah, like decision invasion and something, right? You can see all the lists just by printing like this way, but it's too long, so I'm gonna just skip it. Okay, and this code is to recognize the tweets as whether it is hateful sentence or not, and then if the system recognizes, okay, this sentence is actually hateful, includes a hateful words, then we set a flag to 1. Okay, so like this. So tweet is now instance variable, right, in the hate function, and if you transmit this this sentence to hate function, then the hate function receive those tweets, which is the same as this sentence, and then it splits the juicy data by this tab or spacebar, right? And if you print it, then I'm going to show you the result. Then this sentence is divided by this these words, right? By 1. And then after that, you use a regular expression. So a regular expression is the concept to split the sentence, or like when you exclude some special characters or something, then you can use it. This is really like a little bit like complex, so many of people just don't memorize all of the regular expression. You can just find in Google. So this code is to exclude any special character. Okay, so we only to retain only letters. So after you use this code, execute this code, and then execute this code to convert all the words to lowercase, and then if you print it, then the result will be like this. So now the special characters like this and this is removed, right? And then after that, you can check whether the word matches with any keys in here. So if it matches with this keys, then the flag variable, the new flag variable, becomes 1. Okay, so if the flag becomes 1, then it means that this sentence includes the hateful words. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so like this. This includes the bomb China, right? So this is hateful, words. So the flag becomes 1. So if you remove it, then it becomes 0, right? Like this. Yeah. So okay, and then we load the source list. Okay. And if you check the source list, then the source list shows like this: Twitter cast for Android and iOS, iPad, and so on. So if any kinds of tweets are not, I mean, so if you check okay, let's check the COVID twist first. Okay, if you load the COVID twist 10,000 sample data, and then there is a source column, right? And the source column indicates your just the Twitter source, right? That you use, and then it could be like iPhone, or it could be iPad or something, right? And if those sources are not in this source list, then it might be made by the bot, right? Not from human. So we're gonna exclude it. Okay. All right. And after that, we're gonna get some multiprocessing resources. So let's see, we have 104 whole, which is 104 processors we can use now. Okay, and then we're going to use these 104 processors to run this Python code. Okay, and then we're going to check the time, right? This is the format of second. So yeah, this is second format. And then here is the code. This code is checking whether this tweet, the source of these tweets are actually whether the source are in the source list or not. Okay, if the variable in the source is not in the source list, then we're going to exclude it. So if you run this, like print before, and this is origin Twitter, and this is after filtered the tweets, and then you can see that okay, we exclude the 31 tweets because it is suspected being made by bots. Okay, and then we're gonna run the code now. So we have a df, which is data frame. So if you check this, then we have data frame. We have df2, right? Yeah. So we have df2, which is data frame of the tweets now, and we're gonna use this data to recognize if there is any hateful sentence. So we use a map. So map is so now P is a multiprocessor. Okay, so we're going to use multiprocessors and then map this. And map means that we're going to use these multiprocessors, and then we're going to put some word inside of a map to map the multiprocessing environment. So we put the hate function, And then in the hate function, there is one instance variable, which is the sentence of the tweet, right? So then we're gonna put this data frame and message column so that we can recognize if any tweet sentence in the message column includes any hateful sentence. So, and then make the flag, because the return, so you can see in this code, we got a flag, right, as a return value. And this flag value will be stored in the df2 hate column. Okay, so if there is a one, so for example, if you run it, and then if you print the result, okay, it takes some time. Then if there's a sentence that includes any hateful words, then the hate columns variable will be 1, right? Okay, so it takes some time. I don't know. Oh, because I print. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna remove the print. Yeah. Just wait. I'm sorry. I'm gonna restart the corner again. Yeah. Do you have any questions or any issues?
Your screen just looks way different.
Oh yeah, because you were PY, right?
What?
So this is a PY, it's a script, right? I convert this to IPYNB file. Sorry? Oh, I'm gonna just make a new IPYNB, like by hitting this plus button, and then just copy and paste to make this. Yeah, I just want to explain one row by one. Yeah, by using IPYNB, yes. But if you use a PY, then it's just all at once, right? So we're gonna use a PY. I'm just using the IPYNB to show you the code one by one. So anyway. Guys never get okay, intrude, please. Yeah, okay, just okay, don't put any print here, okay? We're gonna make disaster. Okay, so don't put any okay, now it's renewed. Okay, don't print it, and now I'm gonna execute everything again. Okay. Okay, and then so I run this all this map hate function with this message column, right? And then this is a result. So I only filter the data that has only the when this df2 hate column includes 1. Okay, is 1. So it means that I only I filters all the data in that this df2 hate column has 1. And then I reset the index and then print it. And if you see the result, okay, yeah, then you can see the table that has the 1 variable in hate column, right? And then I just print just one message here, for example, maybe fifth one. If you print the fifth one, which is this one, right? Here, this message, and then it shows here, it has a hashtag of China virus, right? So maybe it includes the hateful words, right? So this function, the hate function, recognize this, as a classify this sentence as a the hateful sentence. That's why the hate column becomes 1. Okay, and then we're gonna save this, right? So we're gonna save this output data frame to the result folder site setup, and then out.csv file. Okay, and we record the time, the finish time of this code, and then record the execution time, the duration time by subtracting T3 from T4. Yeah.
You get to that window though to run it.
Oh, this one? Oh, I mean this Jupyter.
Yeah, when I
Yours, like, it won't look like that. Like, it's not, so.
Oh, did you put a look? You want to color?
oh, it's fine though. It's the same thing.
Yeah, the same thing, but I convert this to IP1 file. Okay,
That's
so
not-
this one is the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good for like explaining, because you can have like a chunk. Comment. That's other thing.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
It was just like if we needed the IPY versus.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, PY file is actually it's not, you can use it in a Jupyter notebook or lab, but what the advantage of the Jupyter lab or notebook is that you can actually make it chunk, like you can divide it, the code to like this and then execute one by one. What? Okay, yeah. Anyway, so now we're gonna start the now we're gonna unzip the file first. Okay, so I believe that you have now the 6 data in data sets in your own repository, CHPC, right? So now we're gonna unzip the TGZ file, okay? So how to unzip it? So let's go to the repository first, right? And then, okay, I'm gonna just delete it. And then go to Lab9 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you need to hit the opening terminal button there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because the internet connection is so slow now. You can see this, the terminal console like this, right? Just make sure that your terminal shows Lab9. Okay. It means that you already in Lab9 repository, and then just write a code like this: par zxbf and name of the TCC file to unzip it. If you write this code and then execute it, like by hitting the enter button, then it shows the what file inside it is inside it, this TCC file, and then it takes some time to unzip it. Okay. Oh, okay. So. Yeah, and then you can check there is a new if there's new CSV file which were once in COVID twist.tg's file. Yeah, this code tar CSVF COVID. And then please check if there is COVID twist.tg's file. As well. And then COVID. Yeah.
Yeah. You lost connection? Here is so unstable. Here is really unstable. So now I'm running the code. Mm, well, actually, I use the Frisco. It is a little bit like slow, but you can use not speak. So you can select the server here. So you can choose speed or not speed, but you can use Frisco too. Frisco is a little bit slow. Yeah, it works. But I recommend you to choose the not speak. Okay, because it's faster. Okay, so now I unzipped the COVID twist, right? And then you have a 4.1 gigabyte COVID twist.csv file. Okay, this is a whole the origin tweet file. Okay, and then let's just skip it because I already, yeah, finish this. Okay, and then I'm gonna, run this the slurm file, okay, because in a py file that we will execute, it execute the code with the data sample with this, right? This one, right? The COVID tweets 10,000 version 2.csv, which this is just this includes just 10,000 samples, right? So I'm gonna just run this Python code first, okay? And then see how it looks like. And then for submission, for Lab9, actually, you need to use the COVID tweet.csv that you just unzipped. Okay, so I'm gonna run this slurm file first. So yeah, here's slurm file, because slurm file, remember that I explained that the slurm file stores all the batch code inside, right? So here, so this slurm file, we're gonna execute this Python script, right? So I'm gonna run it as batch. What's the name? Submit. That's slurm. Yeah. So if you run this slurm file, then you're gonna execute the Python script, and then it stores some txt file and an output file.
Okay, after you run it, and there should be QE13 blah blah txt file which stores the old result of print. So if you click it, then you can see the old result of print, and then here the print result of the execution time, the duration, right? So it means that this code took 0.25 seconds to run, right?
So it says that's exact or not.
Yeah, QE. Yeah. So this is code sbatch spacebar submit the Slurm to execute the Slurm code. Yeah. And then there should be two output file. One is QE and then a job, ID of the job. And then the next one will be the out.csv file, which stores the the handful system result. Okay. Oh, the code to execute the Slurm. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the PowerPoint. Sbatch here. Sbatch.
I ran it, whatever the two files.
Yeah, so Slurm file out.csv file and the QE hyphen the idea.
I'm getting that out, not the QE. Okay, like this mess, this is Python, or falling back to Python engine because the C engine does not support. That's what I hear.
Can you check the UI code? That's weird. Did you modify any? Oh. Yeah. So you can just you can just the name. What about that? Then check go to the or you can just file file. Is the only use.
Yeah, but we do. Oh, now, yeah, here. Take some time, yeah. Yeah, so.
Yeah, I just forgot that, actually in the Solarum file, we specified this King's Peak, right? So, you need to use King's Peak or just normal server, which is pretty physical. If you use the Notch Peak, then it might skip some matter.
If I change that, not if it's fine.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so for deliverable, please use the origin CSV file. Okay, and then you need to, visualize this result with ArcGIS Pro because it has coordinates, right, X, Y. So yeah, you can map it to show where is the table.
QE file is the execution time.
Yeah.
That's just totally after that.
Yeah, QE file is just for storing all the print results from QI.
So what else?
Yeah. It's just great. Yeah. Oh, you need, so did you modify it like that? For submission, so you should modify.
Then should be maybe we need to
Maybe it's this. How much? Right. Right. Yes.
Yeah. I agree. Yeah, 'cause I got like double. I got triple of the QP, but only one of that outfit, so I deleted the other one. I don't know.
Yeah, just. Yeah. Nothing. Yes.
put work to do with it. Got it in there. And on
Yeah. Oh, you wanna run this? Just here?
Yeah. Yeah, I can't.
Oh.
Everything's right now. When I was putting and individual controlling, it was running fine, and then when I opened that file there, and then when I tried to run it,
Okay, then. Okay, then.
I don't.
Yeah, I agree. Interactive. Then, you're not too sure.
Keywords. For
Not that part. I feel like COVID, it's like line 30.
you can use it.
So that should just be, I mean, COVID underscore tweet dot CSV.
Okay, so I think,
Did you like do that chart
can just-
and put you on it?
yeah,
Cool. So that should,
yeah, and then just try to get this later.
so that should have made the file.
Underscore tweets.
Yeah. And then be able to go.
Oh,
file
yeah, so
to-
if you run it right on this out. In the out 5 period, okay.
Okay.
The older.
You should go to that file. Yeah. Yeah, so you, that first file in there is the code. entry. So now, when you go to the, back to the terminal, you don't get the links. It'll like load in. but that's good. It's like, that's like, yeah, and now if you redo that, yeah. The subject, I just learned.
Yeah.
Yeah, just you can use there now, and just try to